2001. There we go.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Madison County in north central Alabama, south central Moore County in middle Tennessee, southeastern Lincoln County in middle Tennessee, Franklin County in middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Market, or 12 miles northeast of Moore's Mill, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Another strong to severe thunderstorm is located near Merridionville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Since 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the public has reported hail to the size of pennies across North Huntsville and Merridionville with these storms. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Moore's Mill, Merridionville, Hazel Green, Decherd, Estill Springs, Cowan, Montego, Upland, and Kings Point Lake. For your emergency room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building,